Hi, I'm Steve Shaber from Max, and welcome to this special session discussing the use and benefits of Johnson's newest automotive refrigerant, Freeze-YF, a higher performing and economical direct replacement for R-1234YF. Before getting into our topic, let's take a moment to learn more about Technical Chemical Company. Technical Chemical Company formulates and markets some of the most effective car and home care products in America and around the world. Starting with brake and transmission fluids in 1961, the company has expanded into a broad range of automotive, appearance, and performance chemicals. TCC has grown into a powerhouse with a comprehensive product line of established brands including Johnson's, Blue Magic, Quick Steel, Pure Citrus, Turbo 108, and Spray X. Okay, let's move on to the topic of this presentation, new refrigerants from Johnson's. Johnson's Freeze-YF was developed as an alternative to R-1234YF, currently installed in most production vehicles globally. When R-1234YF replaced R-134A, OEMs had to modify systems to match 134A's performance. Freeze-YF was designed to match 134A performance at a lower cost than R-1234YF. As a direct replacement, it cools a vehicle up to 4 minutes faster than R-1234YF. No system changes are needed to retrofit the R-1234YF system to Freeze-YF. Now we will walk step by step through both the retrofit and service inspection procedures, which are available to download from the website on your screen. Here are the tools you will need: a R machine to recover the refrigerant being replaced, and to charge, a gauge set, vacuum pump, digital scale, and refrigerant-specific adapters. Using certified refrigerant recovery recycling equipment for the refrigerant to be replaced, remove the refrigerant from the vehicle and note the amount of refrigerant and oil being removed. Change or adapt the vehicle's high side and low side service ports. While this step may not be required outside the US, it is suggested to help prevent refrigerant cross-contamination. Using equipment designated for the new refrigerant, vacuum the system for 10 minutes, or until it holds vacuum for 5 minutes, dropping less than 3 inches of mercury during that period. Add the specified compatible oil based upon the amount removed during recovery. Set the charging scale to the R-1234YF weight indicated on the J639 label or as directed by OEM service information. Charge from a virgin refrigerant can or cylinder in liquid state. Start the vehicle and turn the AC on max. Observe the pressures and ensure the center vent temperature meets specification. With vehicle running and AC on, close the high side coupler, allowing the high and low side pressure to stabilize. Once stable, close the low side and remove the couplers. Now place the new refrigerant label on the SAE J639 label per local regulations. The process is that easy. We appreciate you taking the time to view this presentation. I'm Steve Shaber from Max. Thanks for watching.